In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn my books into live, powerful workshops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing you with passive income tips for writers, publishers, service providers, and the like. Go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So let's get into it. But before we do that, I want to invite you to my Substack. I have a new Substack community where I am sharing every day where I am in the process of writing my books. You know, I'm writing a book every single month. Yes, so you get behind the scenes, you get the money that I made, you get the strategies that I'm implementing, you get all the things for just $5 a month. So it's just $5 a month, and you can come write a book with me. So come on and join my Substack. I have the link in the description so you can join right away. Okay, so let's get into this. Now, because I'm writing a book a month, I want to think of multiple ways that I can repurpose the content that is in my book. There's many ways that you can do this, but this is one strategy that I am implementing every single month. So when I write and publish my mini book, is what I call mini books. My books are short. So I'm writing books that are no more than 50 pages long. Okay. That's the goal, is to not to go over 50 pages long, because I want to write short and sweet to the point books. I want my books to solve one problem. Okay. They solve one problem. And those that read my books are either writers, you're a publisher, you are aspiring author, or maybe even a service provider. You would love to read my books because they are catered to you, but they are small and to the point, because we do not have a lot of time. Plus, it's a little selfishness in there, because I love to read short books as well. So I wanted to write short books, and I like to read short books. So that's the first thing I do. I write and publish my I was going to say medium book, mini book. Okay. Then the second thing I do, I go ahead and set my workshop date. So I personally always choose the third Thursday of the month. I don't know why, but I like Thursdays. I like, because I do coach on Tuesday nights in my coaching program. So I like to give myself Wednesday as a day to kind of rest from that. And then Thursday, I pick it up and I teach again. So I like to do Thursdays, and I normally set my workshops in the evening times. Okay. So I find that I have a better show up rate for evening times and all those good things. So I set my workshop date. You set it according to you. There's some other reasons why I set it on the third Thursday too. I don't want to get too much TMI, but I set it on the third Thursday. That works perfect for me. Okay. Plus, I suggest that you get on some type of routine if you're going to implement this same strategy that I'm doing. You want to have some type of routine so that your attendees know, hey, on the third Thursday, Sharita's putting on a workshop. Let me get my coins together. So I already know up front that she's going to teach a workshop. Okay. Number three, you want to price your workshop. I price mine at $37. Plus, my workshop attendees get a free copy of the book. So, yes, they get a free copy, a physical copy that I mail out to them. I price it at $37 because I do incorporate the price of the book as well as the shipping and all those different type of things. Okay. So I have a certain pricing strategy and how I price things. So when I price the workshop, they get a free copy of my book. I mail that out to them. They get a free copy of the current book in which I am teaching. And I know you're thinking, well, Sharlrita, why would they need the book if they're attending the workshop? Why not? Because everybody learns different. And this is something that I have mastered and learned when it comes to us as people. Okay. I learn things way better, and it all depends, because I can learn in many different ways. I can learn reading. I can learn listening to audio. I can learn by experiencing being in the same room with someone. I can learn via videos. That's why I love YouTube. So I can learn in different facets. So that's why it's important for you not to work yourself down to the bone, work smarter. You can repurpose your content, which is the reason why I'm doing this video, because you took the time to write a full book, you took that time to do that, then you should put it in different places, break it down and put it into those different places. Number two, not every follower or buyer follows me on every platform, and that's for you too. Every person that downloads my book, they may not follow me on LinkedIn, or they may not even follow me on YouTube. So there is different ways that you can repurpose your content. Now I do repurpose my content a lot. I did a video about how I repurpose my YouTube videos into my Medium blogs. Why? I want to work smarter, because everyone that follows me on Medium and reads my articles are not on my YouTube. Some do, and that's okay, but some don't. Okay? So that's how you have to think about it. Don't think of it as, am I just regurgitating information? Trust me. Trust me on this. You want to do this because you can give the same information, everybody retains it different. Okay, so that's why I give them a free copy of the book, and I do the workshop, and plus the workshop is a live experience. That's where they get to come in and learn. I love to do show and tells. Those that have attended any of my workshops, you guys know I love to do show and tell. I will show you, I will flip my screen over and I will show you something. I will show you how to do something in a minute. Okay, that's one of the ways that I love to teach. So the workshop experience is going to be way different than reading the book. Okay, now let's give it a pause. I do want to let you know about my upcoming workshop, my email marketing blueprint, where I'm going to share with you as a nonfiction author how you can set up your email list. That's one of the biggest mistakes that many authors make, is they do not have an email list. Okay, I say we because this used to be me. It's not me anymore. But it used to be me, relying heavily just on social media to sell your books, when you can build your email list while you're writing your book. You can build your email list even if you're writing multiple books like me. I have an email list of people, of buyers that bought my book. I have a list of people that have downloaded my freebies from my books. So now what I can do, I can sell them on the next book. Okay, this is why I like writing multiple books and not just one. But you can get a free copy of my new book, Power Publishing Secrets, the Email Marketing Blueprint for Nonfiction Authors. Attend the live workshop on May the 16th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link to register is sharlritadeloatch.com/workshop. I put it in this description as well. Okay, so let's continue on. Now, number 4, I give myself 10 days to promote my workshop. Okay, so I give myself 10 days. So I count after I set my date. Remember, I have a certain date and I count 10 days backwards. Okay, so I know for my upcoming workshop, which is going to be May 16th, my promotion date really supposed to start on Monday, but I'm starting a little early while it's on my mind. So I give myself 10 days. That means I am promoting on my social media. I am promoting my workshop every single day for 10 days. Okay. I did that for my last workshop and I had 10 attendees. Okay. It may not be a lot for some people, but that's a lot for me, especially when they swipe their card. Okay. So I had 10 people to say yes to pay to be a part of my workshop. Okay. So my goal is to get more than 10 this time. So you want to set yourself a goal if you're going to do this every month like me, so that you can up your attendees. And plus, another way that you can get the other attendees that attended your last workshop, allow them to come as well at a discount. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to email those that attended my workshop, and they can attend this workshop coming up at a discount. Okay, so you want to keep your ecosystem going and give yourself that time to promote your workshop and promote it every single day. And I know you're probably like, well, what social media platform should I promote? Whatever ones that you're on, whatever ones you want to promote. Okay, my last workshop, I promoted it heavily on Facebook. I used a lot of Facebook last time, and my email list. Those were the primary places. I think I had 1 or 2 people that came from YouTube too. And yeah, I had 1 or 2 people that came from YouTube as well as TikTok. So They can be anywhere. It's a matter of where you show up. Okay. All right. So number 5, host your website. Host your website. Host your workshop and give a lot of value. Make sure that you give what you're supposed to give. Make sure you give resources. I gave them a list of resources because I mentioned a lot of resources inside of that, inside the workshop. Hint, hint, just on FYI, insert your affiliate links. If you're affiliated with what you are, the products and what you are providing links to. If you are an affiliate, if you're not, apply. If you are, insert your links. Okay, it's another way that you can create passive income, because more than likely those that click on those links will more than likely will love to support you. Okay, they will love to support you and purchase whatever the resources that you're providing, because you're already providing valuable resources. Okay, that's number 5. And number 6, last but not least, ship those books. Okay, ship the books to your workshop attendees. And what I did was I personally signed every single copy. So I signed every single copy on my for my workshop. Okay, here's another tip. When after your workshop, you want to get testimonials from your workshop attendees, right? So what I did was I created a post on Facebook, because that was my primary place, and I linked that post to the email, and I asked them to leave me a review. So what they're doing, they're going to comment on that post and leave a review. That serves in one of two ways. It does show proof, that you had the workshop. It shows that people enjoyed it, but you can also screenshot those testimonials as well, and you can use them for marketing for the next workshop. Okay, so you're going to see much of my testimonials that I'm going to post for my current workshop that I'm having now, because I had testimonials from the last one. Okay, so that was just a quick tip to get you to, you can get your testimonials, you can have that social proof that you need. Okay, so always keep in mind, I want you to always keep in mind that my books and how I use my books, they serve as a lead magnet in my business. And the content just doesn't stop with the book. Okay. I'm always thinking, how can I expand on this content? How can I expand? So even after the workshop, I can take chapters of my book and create Medium blogs that's going to lead to my books. That's one of the strategies that some of my writer friends are doing. What they're doing is a little bit different. They're writing their Medium articles, turning the Medium articles into books. Okay, and then going from there. No matter how you do it, you got to start somewhere. Okay, I start with the book because I already have the content. The book turns into a workshop. The workshops or the book can also turn into Medium blogs that's going to circle back to the books. Okay, that's how you do your dual marketing when it comes to your business. And that's why you need a coach like me, because I'm going to get you straight. I'm going to get you straight. I know I sound country, but I'm going to get you straight. Okay, I want to make sure that you understand that marketing your business definitely needs to happen every single day, but marketing your business in different modalities is where it's at. Okay, now I'm not saying you have to be on a whole lot of platforms, because I am not. Okay, I am not everywhere, not at the same time. Anyway, I run my business so that it's easy for me to still put out my content, but I'm putting out content every single day. Okay, so listen, if you want to hear from me Monday through Friday, go ahead and join my free newsletter. I have a newsletter. I'm sending you 3 quick and valuable resources to help you to elevate your digital publishing business daily. So I'm sending you these tips and tricks and things like that I'm, sharing with you today. So I hope that this video really served as a great purpose. I hope it was valuable for you. Go and repurpose your content. Okay, if you need some one-on-one help, okay, if you're like, I need some one-on-one consulting, I need your eyes on my stuff, Sharlrita, I do have openings for one-on-one consulting. I have a link in my description where you can apply to book a call with me. Okay, so do that for one-on-one, consultations and things like that. When you go to the page, it does display, the pricing that I have and what pricing I start with and what services I offer. Okay. So I don't take on a lot of one-on-one clients because I like to preserve my energy. However, I know that there are some of you that need one-on-one help. Okay. Sometimes I'm like that. Sometimes I skip past the digital products, skip past the group coaching. Okay. I skip past that and go to the one-on-one because sometimes you do need that. Okay. Especially if you're in a place where you have a lot of content everywhere, you got all of these ideas, you're just trying to figure out, okay, where do I put what where? That's why you need somebody like me, honey. Okay. All right. So you guys go ahead and click all the links in my description to go where you need to go. And until the next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Bye.